Well, hello again, ladies and gentlemen. This is Miss Corinne from the Abraham Lincoln Presidential Library and Museum, and I am here with you today for another Makerspace Monday. What we do with this is we try to imagine what it's like to live in Abraham Lincoln's time. The 1800s, that was such a long time ago, and they didn't have a lot of the fun stuff that we have today. They didn't have computers, they didn't have video games, they didn't have tablets, hoverboards, any of that really cool stuff that we have today that keeps us busy. So back then, imagine you had to keep yourself busy. You were stuck inside all day. We're spending a lot of time inside now, a lot of time at home during this weird time. So we have to find ways to keep ourselves busy, just like they would have had to do during Abraham Lincoln's time. And what we do with Makerspace Monday is we go around the house and we try to find supplies and little things here and there that we can turn into new things. So turning just odd little bits that we can find that aren't being used for anything else, and we turn them into something new. Today, we are making something that I think is very fun, something that I think you guys might enjoy. That thing today is a catapult. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a catapult. Where I work at the Abraham Lincoln Presidential Library and Museum is a little room called Mrs. Lincoln's Attic. And that room is filled with all these old toys from Abraham Lincoln's time. Ball in a cup, something called a bilbo catcher, tic-tac-toe, maps, puzzles, all that fun stuff. And we had a catapult, and it was big and it was wooden, and it shot this little wooden ball from one side to the other, and it was awesome. And I've always wanted to make one myself, so I went looking around my house and I found a bunch of popsicle sticks and some rubber bands, and I made one myself. And what you can do with this, take a little ball, something like that, bend it back, and you fire it away. Now, I'm gonna ask you guys, when you play with your catapults, be nice. Don't ever aim it at anybody. Take it outside. Only throw soft stuff. Make sure your parents are around too when you play with it. Be careful, be nice. Those Lincoln boys, Willie and Tad Lincoln, they were a little rambunctious. I'm gonna ask you guys to be a little bit gentler than they were when playing with your toys. But we're gonna make one today. So for this one, you're gonna need 2 different sizes of popsicle sticks. You're gonna need some of these little guys. For this one, I used 5 of these little popsicle sticks. If you have a box of popsicles in your freezer, maybe now would be a good time to have one. And if you're having them throughout the week or on the weekend, save the sticks, because there's a lot of fun things that you can do with sticks. There's a lot of things in our houses that can be repurposed, that we can turn into new things. Popsicle sticks being one of them. So you need 5 of these little guys, and we need 2 of these big guys. This is what we're gonna launch with. And then other than that, we just need 3 rubber bands. Now, if you don't have 3 rubber bands, just use 1 and use masking tape, because that's what we're gonna use for this part here. Rubber band here, rubber band there. If you don't have rubber bands, use the masking tape. All right, so get your materials. Oh, and also, please feel free to make it personalized. Grab your markers, grab your crayons, grab your colored pencils. Make it personal. Color on it, make it beautiful. You guys come up with the best stuff. You have so much creativity, you're all brilliant, you're all amazing. Make it your own, make it special. Put some flames on it, put some lightning on it, some polka dots, stars. Write your name on it. Write Catapult in great big letters. Catapult. Whatever you want to do, go with it. So go ahead and grab all your materials, and we'll be right back, and I'll show you how to put it together. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We've got all of our materials together now. Count them off with me. How many popsicle sticks do we have right now? Can you count them? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little popsicle sticks. These are the little ones. And how many of these big guys? 1, 2 of these big guys. How many rubber bands? 1, 2, 3 rubber bands. Now, if you only have 1 rubber band is just fine, because like I said, we can use masking tape if we really want to. So this one is really quick and easy to put together. The only time intensive thing that you would have to do is decorate it if you want to. And if you want to, I highly encourage it, because you know me. At this point, if you've seen enough of my videos, you know I love to add some color, add some flair, make it really cool. And guys, I love to color. I don't know about you, but one of my all-time favorite things to do is color. When I'm stuck inside all day, there is nothing I love more than grabbing my markers, my colored pencils, my crayons, just making a day of it, making something beautiful. You know, some people spend thousands of dollars on artwork to hang around their houses. I like to make my own. That's just me though. All right, so that's just I'm just gonna do this top one. So I've got some nice pretty stripes on there, kind of looks like a surfboard now. That's pretty cool. Any other colors I wanna use? Yeah, let's add this guy here. Pink. How groovy is that? Pretty groovy, I think. I like it quite a bit. So these are your big ones. This is going to be the main part of your catapult. This is going to be the part that you bend back and you fire that little poof ball or your cotton ball or your button or your marshmallows, little baby marshmallows. You can toss those at each other, see how far you can make them go. Don't aim them at each other. Be nice with it. Okay, so take your little popsicle sticks and you're gonna stack them up. Just like that. See if you can stack them real nice and neat. So we've got this nice tall stack of popsicle sticks here. If you use tape, you're just gonna take a little piece of it. Doesn't have to be that long. Maybe an inch, inch and a half. Those nice and straight, and you're going to wrap it all the way around. Nice and sturdy. Look at that. Keeping them together. We'll grab another piece of tape, do the opposite side. All the way around, nice and neat. That's absolutely wonderful. Check that out. Okay, step one is done. Take your two big popsicle sticks, and you're going to take one rubber band, and down here at the end, we're going to wrap this around. So you put it over like that, twist it, do it again, twist it, again, and again, just so it's on there kind of tight. Doesn't have to be super, super tight, but that'll work. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open it up, kind of like an alligator's mouth. Look at that. And then you're going to take this stack, you're going to slide it in, just like that. And ladies and gentlemen, you just made a catapult. That's the whole thing. That's the whole craft. It's not that hard. We didn't have to use any glue this time, which is awesome. No waiting for things to dry. So let me see here. What can I shoot across the room? Fortunately, I got another one of these fun little poofy balls here. Remember, be nice while you play with this. Don't fire anything too hard. No rocks, no pennies, nothing like that. Make sure it's soft. But I do encourage you, like, to try it out with your siblings or your caregivers. Just boom, and it's gone. Isn't that amazing? Very cool. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have successfully made something brand new today with stuff that we have around the house. That is what Makerspace Monday is all about. Keeping ourselves busy, making our own fun, and repurposing things that would otherwise, you know, we wouldn't really do much with them. You might even consider some of it to be trash, but you never know. It's a great opportunity to take things and give them new value, make them fun. With your catapult, remember, play nice with it. I'm really trusting you to play nice with it. They are super fun. What I would do is I would get everybody in the family together and I would have a contest, a distance contest, so you can fling something the farthest. And whoever wins, you know, maybe you could determine what the prize is for that. Maybe the loser has to wash the dishes, although washing the dishes isn't too bad. You should ask to help to wash the dishes. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you're staying safe, staying healthy, staying busy, and being creative. Any chance you get to be creative take it, do it, have fun, and enjoy yourselves. I think you're great. Abraham Lincoln would have thought you guys were great too. And we hope to see you guys again really, really soon. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.